Hey everybody, John with Vynyly here. Just got a package from LP Bin, and I thought it might be fun if I did a video where I open this and we open it together. I will tell you I've already ripped the tape to make this whole process easier to do the one-handed, but let's take a look. This video might be a little shaky, a little jittery, because I'm not using a gimbal, just holding the camera here, holding the phone. So, cardboard. Oh, and these are the mats. I ordered a combo pack. It was 2 Bin E, the wire ones, and 2 of these LP mats to keep your records from sliding when they're in the bin. So here's 1. Here's 2. They also sent some samples of inner sleeves. Could always use good inner sleeves for sure. And well, I may not be able to get this out holding the camera. So hey, I got that part out. All right, I will get these out and I'll be right back. So man, they were in there really good. Good lot of packaging in here. You don't want to get them, you don't want them to get all banged up, right? Or bent up, making some noise. All right. I think I've got that right. I think that's how it goes. Let me put the mat in there and see how that fits. All right, I'm back. I put the mat in the bottom. Fits pretty good. There's a little play, but I think it's gonna be okay. Let me put some records in here and kind of see how that fits. Oh, that's pretty good. I just went with the A's. I grabbed a few out of the A's. So yeah, that's pretty good. And this mat will keep them from sliding forward, right? If you've got them on an angle, the mat keeps them from sliding forward. So if you have this thing filled, you'll be able to flip through your albums. This is the Bin, I think it's called the Bin E. And this is a package deal. You get 2 of these and the mats for free. But these are awesome. I think even if these weren't free, I would probably buy those. Otherwise, your albums are just going to slide all over the place. And some of those sleeves also as a sample. So good deal over at the LP Bin website. They are the people who make the wooden holders, the wooden racks, the floor racks. A lot of record stores that I've been to actually have those, some of them. I've been to some bookstores who have a few racks of records. They use LP bins. I've seen those too. So take a look at what they have over there. Pretty cool. I got these because I may do some shows, and these would be very easy to carry in and out. So anyway, if you want to see the construction of these, let me flip this way. So the wires go all the way underneath. There are these rubber feet here and channels underneath for stability. Nice high back, as you can see, higher than the record, which is nice. And again, the LP mat slips right in there. There we go.